Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you have a beautiful day. The news of the Bitcoin ETF from Cointelegraph was fake news. That sent Bitcoin up to 30,500. It closed out long and hit the target of 30,000, automatically taking profit on the trade. Then it wicked back down to 27,800, and I've gone long from then. I've got a 2.7 Bitcoin trade, and I bought another Bitcoin yesterday at around 27 something. I'm going to show you that in the videos. Bitcoin pumped, the Nasdaq pumped, altcoins slightly moving up. Total account back to all-time highs, but with much more holdings now, which is beautiful. Hit the thumbs up button, click that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and to grow the community, everyone share this video with 3 of your friends on WhatsApp and tell them to subscribe. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. You can see here Bitcoin still finishing up 4.8% on the 4.9% yesterday, even with this big pullback. 3.6% IDEX, total market cap 3.3%, almost up $300 billion. No, sorry, 1 trillion, and then it's up 3%, $3 billion. Ethereum, or is it $30 billion? 35, this number here, 35,068, maybe 3.5, 1, 2, 3, that's 1,000. 10,000, 100,000, million. Let's change it. 10 million, 100. Yeah, 3 point something billion. Ethereum 2.7%. The rest of the market 2%. And then the tech stocks 2% up on Meta, 2%, 1.6 on Intel, Google 1.3, Unity 1.2, Tesla 1.1. So tech stocks pumped as well, which is beautiful. MCRT 0.4. Bitcoin, it bounced. You can see he came close to this gray line. It should have had this ABC corrective wave, but in my opinion now this B to C wave is finished after this pump. It invalidated the final C wave. And now we start up. The next Elliott wave counts up. The next Elliott impulse waves. I think it might do something like this more. Like that. More the shape, but the overall bigger pattern is still worrying. This is a rising wedge. They're bearish patterns. They build pressure, and then drop. As I teach you in the crypto masterclass, this is a rising wedge. So the time for us to get out, actually, we should be getting out at around this second to third wave, this point here. This is the point to get out, 36,000. At alert. I think that will be the point to get up, because that will be, there might be that third to fourth and fourth to fifth wave, but at that point there could be a drop. Our Bitcoin long yesterday printed beautifully, just going long before the news. It looked bullish. I talked about it in yesterday's video, which is beautiful. And our trades pumped. If you saw, so this is my Bybit account. I have now 320,000 in this account. 320, almost 321,000. In here I've got USDT 87,000. I'm up 1,200 yesterday. Bitcoin I've got 59,000. So I added another Bitcoin on yesterday's pump, but as it came down, the buy orders triggered. Uniswap 30,500, slightly up. Doge 27,000, slightly up. I'm gonna buy more Doge, because if this news keeps pumping, if they announce anything big, I'm gonna buy another $1,000 of Doge. But I got to slowly ladder in as well, in case there is some kind of meaningful pullback. Doge, MCRT 23,400, FXS 22,000. FXS showing a little bit of weakness, pulled back a little bit. I opened a new Bitcoin long also on that after it pumped and then pulled back a little bit. Now I've got a 2.7 Bitcoin long. It's negative 1,300, but yesterday's trade hit its profit, which was almost 3. It went from 26,000, so $4,000 profit trade. It closed automatically with the take profit yesterday, which is beautiful. And then this trade opened. It's a 20x 2.7 Bitcoin trade, so quite a big leverage trade here. 2.7 Bitcoin. It's about $80,000 using $6,000 of margin. $80,000 trade, 2.7 Bitcoin. Let's see how Bitcoin does now, and that will greatly affect the account actually. And this is the news that yesterday. So this was the news. Cointelegraph breaking: SEC approves iShares Bitcoin spot ETF. That was yesterday at 8:21 p.m. Then Cointelegraph: dear community, we hold ourselves to high journalistic standards and consider important to address the mistake we make with full transparency. Here's what happened. So they said, and you can see here, Cointelegraph tweets: Bitcoin ETF approved. Bitcoin pumps to 30,000. Our Bitcoin trade that was already active, our long, took profit at that point. Then Cointelegraph in turn profits 2.2 million on Rollbit. So after he made that announcement, he had a Bitcoin long with 50x, a 4,400% return, and he cashed out at 30,200. And then Cointelegraph deletes the tweet. So he actually, the intern profited on that trade. And don't forget also, OKX until the 31st of October is giving away $60,000 in rewards before the 31st of October. You can find the link on number 1 in the description. So you can see the link to OKX. Explore OKX and win up to $70,000 in prizes using that link. It's till the 31st of October. And take the Crypto Master course to learn more about this. Let's go back now into it. So that's my Bitcoin long. Where I would go long on Bitcoin is again from this support, the major area of support. Pretty much where I went long already. If you haven't gone long and you want a safe entry, I would do it from here. I would do it from this support. I would say the major area of support is here. Stop loss just underneath. Like that. Under the weekly, monthly, and take profit at the gray target, the orange line at the top. So I think no, there's too much resistance there. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Risk to reward 10.7, opening the trade at 27,000. 27,260, stop loss 26,685. Take profit 33,700. So this one is here, 11.35, risking $574. Actually, we can make that. Why is so big? Stop loss. Let's go under the weekly support. Need it off major support areas, so we don't need to put much of a stop. Like we don't need to risk much on the trade. So I think do it from the weekly support, and monthly support is where, like that. That's how I set the trade. 33 risk to reward ratio, risking 199 to make 6,600, 33 times my money. Risking $199 to make 6,600 without leverage. With 10x leverage, 66,000, 100x leverage, 660,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. Yeah, let's leave it at Bitcoin today. In the next video, I'm going to do Ethereum. And again, if you want to learn everything under here, trading on Bybit, you get a $30,000 bonus when you use that link. Explore OKX, they've got $70,000 in prizes to give away under that link. BingX is friendly for USA. Binance is the biggest for bank transfers. 2, take the Crypto Master course. And 3, join us on Telegram. That's it. I'll leave that as the update for Bitcoin. You saw my portfolio in my Bybit. Congratulations, everyone that pumped with me. Yesterday, we made around like $7,000. I don't know, in the last week, around $20,000. But that pullback and that pump, it made profit on that trade around $4,000, but it allowed me to open some big trades. I added another Bitcoin and I added another 2.7 Bitcoin trade. Let's see if Bitcoin, now we really don't want that final, the B2C corrective wave to actually play out, because I think it's invalidated. If it plays out now, it's going to hit my stop loss. I'll lose 6,000 on that trade. Make sure you never risk more than 2% of your trading capital on any one trade, everyone. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up on it. It was a lot of information. You can learn all of this in the Crypto Master course number 2 in the description, and join 9,000 traders in Telegram. They all traded and made a lot of money yesterday in the Guru chat, which is beautiful. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.